Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for choosing to hang out with me for this video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a collection of kitchen organization that I have recently purchased. I do really want to get started in the direction of kind of having everything have a place inside of the cabinet and inside of the kitchen using like acrylic organizers. So I have a few items to share with you guys. I will be adding on to my collection throughout the year, hopefully, and of course I will update you guys on any new kitchen organization items that I find. But for now, I do have a collection of items coming from Home Goods, the Container Store, and the dollar store, I believe. And so of course I will let you guys know where all of my items came from, and then once I kind of go through with you guys and show you guys what I have, I'm going to take you back into the kitchen with me and I'm going to show you guys how I am using all of these items and kind of the before and after of our kitchen cabinet when using these items. So let's get started. Alright, so here are my first three items, and all three of these were purchased from Home Goods, and these are just like little glass containers, and I'm not sure if these would really be considered kitchen organization or home decor. Maybe they can be a little bit of both, but I did want to create a little like candy bar section in our kitchen. Nothing too extravagant, and I'm not sure if I will have candy in here every single day of the year, but I thought that these would be really cute, especially when we have guests, and definitely for birthdays or celebrations, to be able to put in little pieces of candy that kind of go with whatever party we might be throwing. I thought would be really, really adorable and would definitely serve the purpose of decor, which I'm sure you guys all know is my true obsession. So going into Home Goods, I knew I wanted to get three, and I knew I wanted to get all different shapes. I did not care if they were the same size, I just wanted a variety of shapes. So here are the first three purchases, and like I said, you will get a better look of how they look in our kitchen and how I am using them, what I'm filling them with a little bit later in this video. Okay, here is my next purchase, and this came from the dollar store. I've mentioned these baskets quite a few times in several videos of mine, but this is just a little like wire basket. It's a great size. It's got a little handle on it. It's white, which I really, really love. I love either going with a white theme when it comes to like organizational bins or containers, or a clear theme, just because it kind of gives everything a really nice streamlined look. Yes, I have gotten multiple uses out of these baskets in many areas of our house, and I will be using this now in our kitchen cabinet where we keep all of our food. Alright, here is my next item, and this is a little cereal container, and this I purchased from the Container Store. But I recently saw that Target carries all of these items that I purchased from the Container Store. But this is the OXO brand. Hopefully you can kind of see it there. And this is the small cereal container. I love that you just flip this open, close it, and it keeps everything nice and airtight in there. Next, I picked up this little acrylic container, and this says that it's a cabinet organizer, but I am going to try and use this in our refrigerator. I feel like you can use this for so many different things. There is a nice divider in here in case you want to put two separate things. I also purchased this container, and I'm sorry for the glare that you're getting. And this could be a fridge or freezer bin, but it is intended for either like pop cans or these like condensed juice cans right under here. But again, you can use this for multiple different items. I feel like I was just trying to find things that I felt like could be used for a multitude of items. And so when we do have soda cans, this will be obviously very nice to put them in, but I wanted something that I could use for the times that we don't have soda in our house, because we don't usually keep it in our house on a regular basis. And so this, I think, like I said, could be used for a variety of items in the fridge or the freezer. Next up is this OXO branded pop container. And this is something that I have seen a lot on the show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. And this has a little thing that you pop in and pop out to open it, and it is what keeps the items inside of here nice and fresh. So once you pop this down, everything is airtight. This top cannot be taken off, and so whatever you keep in here is definitely going to stay nice and fresh because of this little popping system. And then, like I said, once you pop it up, you can take off the cover. But I'm going to be using this for pasta to keep all of my spaghetti nice and contained right in here. And then I purchased 2 of these. Again, they have that pop-up feature to them. And this I'm going to be using for more pasta. We like to keep a variety of pasta in our house, and then egg noodles. And I am so excited to stick these in our cabinets and just be able to get rid of all of the like cardboard packaging that all of our pasta comes in currently. I think that it will just be really nice to have everything right in these 2 containers, and I am so excited to see how this all looks and how it all comes together. And then here is my last item for today's haul, and this is just a pantry bin. And again, I just feel like there are so many different ways that I could use this inside of our food cabinet, but I do believe that these are really nice, sturdy acrylic containers, and so I guess that's how I justify the price of these. I'm hoping that these will last me for many, many years just because of the quality. You could definitely tell that they are not made like with a cheap piece of plastic or anything. And then these items were purchased as a pack from Amazon, and they are not really kitchen organization, but they definitely are for the kitchen. And so from the reviews that I read on these, people use these as cutting boards, but the reason that I purchased these are for the refrigerator and freezer in the kitchen, and that is what a lot of other people use these for as well. So they are cuttable. I don't know the exact type of material that these are, but they're just supposed to be like refrigerator liners. And so I purchased these to place on our shelves in the refrigerator so that when it's time to clean out the refrigerator and give like the shelves a deep clean, I think that pulling these out and washing them down are going to be much easier than pulling out each of the shelves inside of the refrigerator or trying to really scrub all of the shelves if they stay inside of the refrigerator. So those shelves will just remain clean, and these will be what get dirty. And like I said, they're just so easy, it seems, to take out and rinse these off, scrub them down in the kitchen sink, and that is what I read many people use these for. So I'm hoping that they will work well for us. So we are going to head over to the kitchen and get all of these containers to use. So that about does it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about any of the items that I mentioned in this video, please leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you can please leave this video a big thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. Yet a subscriber of mine, please make sure to subscribe and join my YouTube family. I am always trying to post videos, organizational and home decor videos up on my channel, and so if you are into that kind of stuff, definitely make sure to subscribe. And if you have any video suggestions for me at all, please leave those in the comment section below as well. I am definitely up to any suggestions that you guys might have, whether that be home decor, home organization, family life, children, anything. I am open to suggestions, so please leave those down there as well. Thank you guys again, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.